5 yoga poses and 1 breathing practice to do every day in the morning to wake up your body, calm the mind and build healthy habits. Perfect for kids and parents both. So let's start right away. Start with belly breathing. Put your hands on your belly and then just breathe in from your nose. Bring your belly forward and breathe out from your nose. Bring your belly in. Breathe in. Expand. Breathe out. Belly in. One more. Let's start with yoga poses. So the first one, butterfly pose. Put your hands on your feet and then just flap your knees up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop swinging slowly. And the next one is cat and cow. So come on your hands and knees. Put your hands down, knees down, open your fingers wide and then just drop your belly, lift your chin up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Do 2 more like this. Inhale up, exhale down. 1 more, inhale up, exhale round. Okay, come back to neutral spine and then is cobra pose. So just lie on your belly, come on your forearms, or you can take your hands underneath your shoulders and lift your chest up, whatever suits you really. So just stretch your back and spine, breathe, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Bring your hands under your shoulders, lift your chest up, inhale, exhale on your knees. The next one is downward dog. So put your hands slightly forward, open your fingers wide, press into your hands, tuck your toes, lift your knees up, hips up, push your hips back. Downward dog is a great pose to stretch your legs, stretch your back and also energize you. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here drop your knees down, join your big toes together, open your knees wide. We are going to get into the last one, that is child's pose. So stretch your arms forward and push your hips back towards your heels and then just relax in child's pose for 3 breaths. Keep breathing. It's a very calming and grounding pose, also supposed to be relaxing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly take your hands in, come back in sitting position. If you haven't started your yoga journey or if you're less on time, you don't know where to start, practice these 5 yoga poses and a breathing exercise every day to relax your body, to ground yourself, to feel centered, calm your mind and connect to yourself anytime and anywhere. Good for kids and good for adults. Thank you and have a lovely day ahead. Namaste.